morning everyone. Today we are going to talk about should we buy the Nintendo Switch Lite in 2025. We are going to talk about its flaws and buffs. So let's dive in. So as you can see, I have the Nintendo Switch Lite in turquoise color here. So let me take it out. So the console is really comfy. It has the ZL and ZR button. It also has the L and R button. You can insert game cards here. You can insert memory cards. The memory came with this console is 32 GB. So there is a D-pad, there are joysticks, and this is the plus and minus button. These are the buttons, and with this button you can go on the home screen, and with this button you can take a screenshot. So let me show you how it works. So here you can see when I open my console, it asks me to press a button 3 times. So when I open my console, when I press my home button, it asks me to press a button 3 times. So there is one Easter egg where if you press the ZR button, it will give you this sound. Okay. In this console, there comes more than 100 free games. So you can play free games. There are games from all of the genres. As you can see, I'm playing the game known as Palia. It's an open free world game. So it's loading now. Now it's telling me about the update announcements. So let me play. So now I have started the game. Now it's loading. I want to say one thing about this console. The joysticks are really comfy. It is made up of silicone and the buttons are made up of nylon. So as you can see, I have already played this game before. So this is a character known as Gina. She is an archaeologist which has an assistant. So now I need to go to the blacksmith where I have to place my work table. Now about Nintendo Switch Lite is that the battery system is really bad. So after 10 minutes, your battery could go down. There are thousands of games, but in the free collection, you can only get like 100 games. Overall, if you cannot afford Nintendo Switch, you can buy Nintendo Switch Lite. It is a really good console, and it can also be really good. The weight is lighter than the normal Nintendo Switch, and it has a D-pad, which the normal Nintendo Switch doesn't have. The cost of this console is 20,000 rupees, and if you want to buy this, you can buy it at any search engine. The conclusion we get from this research is that this console is really good and you can also buy it in 2025.